Hey everyone! Want to add amazing visuals to your videos with just a few clicks? Video.io's AI Director is here to save the day. Alright, after logging in and creating a new project, you're ready to unleash the AI magic. Head over to the AI Director section on the left-hand side menu. This is your gateway to stunning visuals. Click on the Settings button in the panel that opens. Here, you can choose the perfect size for your image. Select the size that best fits your video's needs. Write a brief description of the image you want. The more detailed you are, the better the AI can understand your vision. Once you're happy, click on Create AI Visual. Video.io's AI powers up and sparks to life, generating a unique image based on your description and chosen size. It's automatically placed into your scene, ready to enhance your video. And there you have it. With Video.io's AI Director, creating professional-looking visuals for your videos is a breeze. Thanks for watching. Give AI Director a try and see what amazing images you can generate for your next video masterpiece. Don't forget to subscribe to our social media channels for more tips. We are Video.io, video with double O.